berjabatangan. So the berjabatangan is a normal handshake in Indonesia. So when you meet someone or when you meet someone solo, you actually do the berjabatangan. So this is how you do the berjabatangan. The second one is the salim or cute tangan. So the cute tangan is when you meet someone who's older than you, your grandparents, or your brother, or older sister, or your parents. So this is how you do the salim or cute tangan. You take their hands, slightly bow, to touch the tip of your nose or your forehead.
In Indonesia, when passing someone, it's polite to slightly bow your head and extend your right hand and downward with the palm inward to make a subtle sweeping motion, often saying permisi, which means excuse me. This shows respect and courtesy for people having a conversation in a narrow pathway.
The fourth hand gestures of greetings in Indonesia is lead someone enter, or also called as silakan. This is how you let someone enter your house. First, open the door, then make a thumb sign. After that, you point where you visitors come in.